started his Bollywood career with a bang. People wait for the second part of the movie eagerly, that they never did it for any other movies. Friends, I'm talking about the Bahubali of Bollywood, Pravash. Today, we will talk about the lifestyle of Pravash. There will be fewer people who don't like Bahubali and Bahubali the conclusion. If you are one of them and love Pravash, then hit the like button and share the video with your friends. If you really like him, then a like is a must. So let's start the lifestyle video of the Bahubali Pravash. Let's first talk about the childhood and family life of Pravash. The full name of Pravash is Venkata Satyanarayana Pravash Raju Uppalapati. Friends, here I give you one challenge for you. See the full name of Pravash on the screen, pause the video now and try to recite the name. If you are able to spell out the name correctly in the first go, then you are a genius. Let's take the challenge and let us know in the comment box whether you got it right or not. So let's roll the video now. His nicknames are Darling and Young Rebel Star. He was born on 23rd October 1979 in Chennai, India. And as of 2020, he is now 41 years old. His father is late Uppalapati Surya Narayana Raju, was a film producer. His mother's name is Siva Kumari. He has got a sister named Pragati and an elder brother named Prabhat. He has completed his schooling from DNR School Bhimavaram and completed his BTech from Sri Chaitanya College, Hyderabad. As per profession, Pravash is an actor and a model. Now let's talk about the career of Pravash. He started his career with a Telugu movie in 2002 named Ishwar. And following this, he continued working in one or two movies in a year. Moreover, it was his uncle Uppalapati Krishnan Raju who encouraged him to try his luck in the acting world. Pravash shot to fame with his new role in Venkat in the film Vrsham in 2004. He was critically acclaimed for his performances in the films Chhatrapati in 2005, which was directed by S.S. Rajamouli. For his movie Billa in 2009, he was appreciated for his macho image. In 2014, he was offered a movie Bahubali, The Beginning, by the same director S.S. Rajamouli, for which he devoted 2 years. It was a risk for him as he had signed no other films during that period. But when the film released, his hard work paid off, and the film became India's third highest grossing film worldwide. Later on, he appeared in its sequel Bahubali The Conclusion in 2017, and the film broke its previous record, becoming India's second highest grossing film worldwide. Friends, do you know which one is India's first highest grossing film worldwide? Let us know in the comment box. However, with this film, he gained more fans not only in the South India but also in the North India. His performance was critically acclaimed in the movie. The film also won a national award for the best film in 2017. Lastly, in 2019, he was seen with Shraddha Kapoor in movie Shaho. The movie also was a successful one and did a very good job in the box office. Pravash was also nominated by Mahindra as a brand ambassador for the brand new TUV 300 Mahindra car. Has made his entrance in the TV commercials with their new ads. Friends, which of Pravash movies do you like most? Let us know in the comment box and like the video for Pravash. Now let's give you the income and net worth information of Pravash. Pravash's career got a new era with the Bahubali movies. His demand increased as several directors now want to work with him. For every Bollywood movie, Pravash now charges from 12 to 15 crores Indian rupee. He has got a lot of investment resources from where he earns a lot of money. As of 2020, the total net worth of Pravash is 15 million USD. Now let's look into the house of Pravash. Pravash stays at Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, Telangana, India with his family. In this video, you will see some pictures of his house. Now let's talk about the car collection of Pravash. Pravash is fond of having luxurious cars. He has got a Rolls-Royce Phantom which is about 10.5 crores Indian rupee. He has also got a Jaguar XJ which market price is 1.05 crores Indian rupee. And he has also got a BMW X5 which is about 85 lakhs Indian rupee. Now let's talk about the girlfriends of Pravash. As you know, Pravash is unmarried till now. Pravash was in a relationship with actress Ileana D'Cruz while they were working together in a movie. Although both denied the rumors later on, it is said that Pravash is in the reason Ileana decided to leave the Telugu film industry. As soon as the sequel of Bahubali released in 2017, the chemistry between Pravash and Anushka Shetty became an instant hit among the fans. Because of this chemistry, rumors started doing rounds about the two being in a relationship. However, they refused those talks, but their fans are still looking forward to seeing them together as a couple in real life. Now let's talk about the favorite things information of Pravash. Pravash's favorite food is biryani. His favorite actors are Robert De Niro, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. His favorite actresses are Raveena Tandon, Deepika Padukone, Trisha Krishnan and Shriya Sharan. His favorite films are from Bollywood Munna Bhai MBBS, Three Idiots and PK. And from Tollywood, Bhakta Kanappa and Gitanjali. His favorite director, Rajkumar Hirani. Favorite book is The Fountainhead by Ayan Rand. Favorite song is Milaga Karangi. Favorite color is black and his favorite destination is London. So friends, this was the lifestyle of Pravash. Hope you have enjoyed it and got some unknown information about Pravash which you did not know before watching this video. To get such information, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Again, if you love watching Pravash's films, like the video and share the video with your friends. If you are a Bahubali fan, then a like is a must. And let us know in the comment box on which actor or actress you want the next video. We will try to bring it for you. This is it for today. See you soon. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.